And now, trying for it again, the Cactus Driver, 97. Now it's gotta be it, and there it is. He's out.
And JT.
Maybe those skewers are the one thing's keeping the one remaining brain cell inside.
Come on. He's a smart guy.
It's not tonight, inserting himself in this situation.
No! This match was everything for me! I'm supposed to win, Phil! Your fucking plan sucked. So Damien, you're officially fired from the unit.
Oh! That was quick.
Could be a new record for Damien, so he has that. He never even got a t-shirt.
Career in the unit of a grand total of about 15 minutes. But now, it's just down to JT Dunn.
Phil Stamper looking like a cockatoo.
Skewered. Trying to have a conversation. You have wooden poles sticking out of your head, sir.
Phil, I'm sure, speaking words of reason and comfort to JT Dunn. I mean, Phil always has a plan, right?
Everybody's got a plan until you're skewered in the head.
I no longer trust in Phil.
What?
Phil, you're fired.
And so it ends for Phil Stamper.